Hello students, welcome to online learning, standard 9, subject political science, chapter 3, India's foreign policy, module 4. Today, we shall take a review of India's foreign policy in two stages. The period from independence to the year 1990 can be considered as the first stage. The second stage would be from 1990 to date. There are many aspects that played important role in determining India's foreign policy over a period of time. Let us learn what they are. From the time India first attained independence in 1947, its foreign policy during the Cold War period evolved from being friendly with Soviet Russia to adopt the policy of non-alignment. On 1st September 1961, the heads of 28 nations gathered in Belgrade to launch the non-alignment movement. 60 years now, non-alignment movement has grown to more than 120 nations and represents a majority voice in the United Nations. The non-aligned movement can be said to have played a vital role in maintaining world peace in this nuclear age. Due to the policy of non-alignment, India could get aid from both the superpowers, that is, the United States of America and the Soviet Union. There was a lot of stress on strengthening India's defense. The technology required for this was imported from the Soviet Union, France, and Germany. India had to face external challenges like wars with its neighbors, Pakistan and China. The creation of Bangladesh. India proved her nuclear capability by conducting a nuclear test in 1974. The second phase, that is from 1990 till date, India's foreign policy became more comprehensive and dynamic. It included several other dimensions like economy, trade, education, technology, free market policy, etc. Not only was there an increase in trade with neighboring countries, but also our share in the world trade increased. Our relations with South Asian countries improved. Our trade exchange with Israel, Japan, China, and European Union increased. India became a member of G20, that is, Group of 20, and BRICS. It's a group of 5 countries. Our relations with America improved. Thus, India's stature rose in the international community. India's nuclear policy is an important part of India's foreign policy. Post-independence, the Department of Atomic Energy and the Indian Atomic Energy Commission was established under the chairmanship of Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Even though electricity generation was the main purpose behind the program, it also aimed at creating military capability. As a consequence of this, India conducted the first nuclear test in 1974 and again in 1998. I hope you remember the code name for the first nuclear weapon explosion was Smiling Buddha. India is now a major nuclear empowered country. We have accepted the role of a responsible nuclear power. India has always strived for peace and security in the world. That brings us to the end of this informative lesson. I hope you have understood this lesson. Please refer to the PDF attached below. Thank you.